In this video, we're going to go over how to put in income on a tax return, more specifically a W-2. So after you put in your personal information and your dependents, it's going to bring you to this screen. Let's look at the money you've earned. You have two choices: a guide me section, which will guide you through every little form, or you have enter myself. I recommend enter myself. Brings you to this screen, and then you can pick and choose which forms you want to input. The first one is a W-2, and we'll select that one. So this is your W-2 screen. You're going to get all of your information directly off the W-2 from the customer. First, we'll start with the EIN. Notice how it automatically populates customer address. So we'll just start with the EIN. And it's asking for the employer name. Then the address. Go 705, and then notice it will put the city and the state in. And then you just go to box 1 on your W-2 and put in the information. And then the federal tax withheld, which is in box 2. And these, notice how these are outlined in pink, and what it wants you to do, it's going to automatically populate the correct amount, but sometimes they are different, so it wants you to look at it. So if it is different, then you can change this amount here, 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 and here. But most of the time, the majority of the time, I would say it's going to be the same. If there's a verification code, we're seeing more and more of those on W-2s. You would put that in box 9 there. And in box 12, there's usually some codes, and there is on this one. And there is another code. If that box is checked on your W-2, then check it on here. And if there's anything in box 14, you can put it in box 14. A lot of times you won't find exactly what's on your W-2. If that's the case, then you can use the one that says other and put the amount in here. And then in box 15, just check the state and then put in the state ID number. Notice how it brings the wages down. It should match. And then put in the state taxes paid. If there's any local tax paid in box 19 or 20, you would add that as well. And that should complete the W-2. You would just hit continue. If there's any errors, it will show you. If not, it brings you to this screen, and you can add another W-2, or you can hit continue. It brings you back to the income menu where you can add other incomes, and we'll discuss those in a separate video.